Good morning, my friends. Today we will revise what we have learned about the definite articles of Somali. Kata kutu. This article is used more generally, specifically, when a noun is referred to for the first time in a conversation or if the noun is not known to the speaker. It is also generally used when referring to nouns in the future or in the present.
Dukaan, dukaanka. Koob, koobka. Galab, galabta. Naago, naagaha. Baabuurro, baabuurraha. Casharro, casharráda.
Kiti. This article is used when the noun has previously been referred to in the conversation or if the noun is referred to in the past. It may sometimes be more appropriately translated into English with the demonstrative that or a those.
Nabad, nabadda. Gabadh, gabadhii. Mindi, mindida. Hal, hashii. Subax, subaxda. Inamo, inamada.